Hi teacher, my name is Luis Felipe Ruiz Blanco. I am 28 years old. I am from Cali, Colombia. I live in Cali, Colombia. I am producer operator in Cali Clarios. I live with my wife Vanessa Correa and she is 26 years old. She works as manager analyst at Clínica Farallones. Was born in Cali, Colombia. She is the most beautiful woman on earth. She is short. I also live with my daughter Ana Sofia is a baby. She is a month old. She has beautiful black eyes and beautiful red mouth, and she was born in Cali, Colombia. Besides, my mother's name is Isabel Blanco. She is 51 years old. She is dedicated to home. She is unique. She is very kind and loving. Finally, I am a student of industrial engineering. My favorite sport is football soccer. My favorite series is survival and egg. Thank you. Bye.